I will come back again with another video. I will come back again with another. You know, some when I watch what seeing and chinny. In the kitchen, back in the kitchen. We are back in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Burger King mukbang. Basically, gonna be answering some questions. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching. So guys, for today's Burger King mukbang, we have some chicken fries. We have the Burger King chicken sandwich. We have the new ketchup fry nuggets, ketchup fries, the new ketchup nuggets. So I want to try that and see how it is. And that's it. For the sauce, of course, we have some sweet and sour and some ketchup. That's that. Okay, so guys, let me try the ketchup nuggets and then that way. So with the sweet and sour sauce, I give it a 8.5 out of 10. Without the sweet and sour sauce, I give it a 7 because this is what 8 piece, and I don't think I could finish this 8 piece because it's giving colliding. Understand me? But anyway. Okay, so let's get into the questions. First question is, what was one of your most embarrassing childhood memories? Do I have a most embarrassing childhood memory? Ooh. Yo, I don't know how people do mukbang. Eating and talking at the same time. It's weird. Anyways, I would say my most embarrassing moment was in high school when the dean came in my class and it was like something happened and this girl was saying no to this boy, whatever. And I was like, because the girl told me, right? And I was like, oh yeah, man, no. But somebody in the class keep pressing me and say, oh, so are you model? So I said, no, I know me. And the dean here, and the dean was like, you should have glad say, you should have be like I said, I should be glad to say yes, I did me. I'm like, bro. And then him start, and then my farm teacher didn't actually start what I'm saying. I was so embarrassed, like. But anyways, moving on. Let's not think about that right now. How did you get started in the YouTube community? What? I just got up one day and posted a video on YouTube. I know I'm here, I guess. Which is your least favorite food to eat? Now, if you know me, you know that I'm a very picky eater. Very, very picky. Like, I'm gonna eat certain things. What as a matter of fact, what things I'm gonna eat in my life? And I don't know what to say my least favorite food is. My least favorite food. Bro, I don't know. There's a lot. I can't think of anything right now. Um, is there any type of food you absolutely cannot stand? Well, you probably not gonna bash me for this right now, but me not care. Me not eat that ever. Ever. Me not eat that. By the way, doing video in the kitchen, yes. Don't bother watch the background. Watch me. Um, what was the question? Oh, least favorite food. Ackee and saltfish. Was that the question? Oh, food me can't stand, right? Ackee and saltfish. People always tell me you're missing out. You need to eat ackee and saltfish. No, bro. No. No, thank you. I'm good. Me not eat it all of my life. I'm still living down. Okay. Okay. What's next? Is there any type of food? Oh, what is your morning routine like? I don't really have a morning routine. I just get up, nothing too fancy. I just get up, beard, brush my teeth, clothes, room. That's it. I don't really have a morning routine. Do you have any insecurities? Um, yes, but it's not physical. It's more about personality wise, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but when you first meet me, I might come off as a little. I don't know how to explain it, but personality wise, yes, me have insecurity about that. Um, who was or is your biggest insecurity? Me, I would say. Who was or is your biggest inspiration in life, and what do they inspire you? And why do they inspire you so much? Guys, see, me not have on my glasses. But who inspires me? Who inspires me? Ooh, bro, my mom. But that's my mother. And why next part? Why do they inspire so much? I don't know. Just to be like independent and go for what you want and all of them someday. Yeah. What's the worst advice you've ever received? Probably if we go back to the idiot X, yeah, that but would say is the worst advice, but that was some foolish advice, bro. But anyways, we are not going to talk about that. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm about so much. What's something that people would be shocked to learn about you? Hmm? Somebody that shocked you learn about me. I don't know. My life is not so uppity. What would I call it now? To say people are gonna shock to hear anything. I can't really think of anything right now. Um, What's one thing you're looking forward to doing in the near future? Want to get brave. I want to get brave to take chances. You get me? Like, I'm brave now to take certain chance, but me not go over my limit. Or me not go out of my comfort zone, if you get what I say. So, I need to push myself more to come out of my comfort zone. So, what I want to do, um, I definitely want to upgrade my career from PSW to either RPN or RN. So yeah, that's something I'm looking forward to. Um, do you have any regrets that keep you up at night? Hell no. The only thing that keep me up at night is me thinking about my future. That's it. No regrets, no mistake, no none of that not keep me up at night. You're crazy. All of that is in the past, bro. Why am I going to be sitting down thinking about what happened in the past? Was it dumb? No. It's not like me can change the past, but it already happened. I'm thinking about my future. That have me up at night. Every night, bro. Every night. Next question. If you could give yourself younger, if you could give your younger self advice, what would it be? Girl, stop overthinking so much. Just do the thing, no? Yeah, that would be my advice. Even though I'd still be overthinking, the overthinking that I told myself not to overthink as an overthinker. But anyways, yeah. Stop overthinking so much. Just do it. If you think about to do it, just do it. You get me? Before it's too late. Yeah, that would be one thing I would tell my younger self. What are some of your goals for the near future? Well, as I said before, I want to upgrade my career. Hopefully, by them time there, I find a little booby. 1 month, I'm good. That's the way. Yeah, and me and him, I got to a future together. Yeah, come on, one idiots, my way. We're just there for a while. It's a future time now. Future time. Wedding kids, build house, car, upgrade, have bigger dreams. And when we get the dreams, we have bigger dreams than that. Yeah. Me and him have to depend on the same. Me and him have to depend on the same level, the same. You get me? Me don't want a boy. Bro, I'm so picky about relationships these days, like you don't even understand. The amount of people ask me out on a date. And what did I say? No. Even though I have to date them, they know if me and them mesh. But just by texting them, I know. Say me and them not go mesh. So I'm not even bother. You understand? Right. Waste my time. Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? Yeah, in a mansion. In a mansion with my 10 picnic them. Yeah, my husband. Yeah. 5 to 10 years, enough years that my must can accomplish that by then. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised when me pop up in a mansion. I know me I go to a house tour and do something there. A girl can dream, right? A girl can dream, bro. It a go happen. Guys, I have one more question. We need to finish eat. I saw mukbang though. Come on, I'm thinking I'm mukbang I have to finish eat, but I can't finish eat this right now. My belly full. Wow, I told me I feel. But no, wait there. The question is, I don't want to wait. Okay. Question is the husband a homewrecker or is it the side chick? Um, Definitely the husband because hear me out. You're married. There's no reason for you to be going out there looking at other females, flirting, all of that. You're married. Man, I'm talking about a boyfriend thing you say, husband. You are married, bro. You're married. Why you go come look me? And then the wife, I go blame me for mash up our marriage. Sister girl, oh you for blame me. Blame your man. Or blame yourself. As a matter of fact, don't blame yourself, babe. Do not blame yourself because me just feel like say if you have a problem with me as the wife, come talk to me about it. Make we fix that together. We are married. This is not boyfriend and girlfriend thing. This is husband and wife thing. We're married. So if there's a problem or there's something that you want me to be doing but I'm not doing it, communication, bro. Communication. You not tell me say me I do something wrong or you not tell me say me not do something. You get me? But yeah, go outside go cheat. Mm-mm. So I don't feel like the side chick is the problem. I feel like it's the husband. Even though some side chicks, okay, before I say that, some other females them outside don't know say the man married. Them there with the man for how much years I never know say the man married and have picnic. Right? Because the money are wicked and lie and thief, man. But some of them they do know. Some of the females them know and them just don't care. I don't understand how can you hurt a female to that level or to that point. I'm pretty sure you don't want anybody to take your man away from you, right? So why would you go and take another female man and you know how it feel? Even though sometimes the man telling us say, I'm gonna leave our phone on this and that. Me not really, me not know. Mm, mm. Even when some situation, the woman have to get blame. Cause, oh, oh. Okay, when you're a girlfriend, you're going all out. But after you get the wife, the ring or your own wife, you don't want to move it and live together, you stop do what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to stop. And the men too. You're bringing me out on dates every other week or every week as a girlfriend, but as a wife, you do it every year. Only for anniversary and birthday. Sir, sir, don't do that. Okay, this is what I guys tell man out here. You see, just buy some flowers. And when I come go home from work, just buy some flowers and stuff, put surprise a lady. You have to be my friends, Just buy flowers, chocolates, and a favorite snack. You won't go there. I have so appreciate. Because money there. Some of them ungrateful. But that's how you have to know your person eventually. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. That was the last question. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to come watch the video. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, please like the video. You liking the video helps me a lot. Like, it helps YouTube to push the video out to other people. So like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.